Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and today I have for you, sorry for the crinkle, my Bumblebee Acres Farms yarn, and this is from September 2022. They had a little bit of a delay, and this is my Stephen King yarn and my There and Back Again yarn. So I thought I'd show you guys, and it is very, very pretty. I could finally get rid of that crinkly bag. They were delayed in shipping, but that's all right. It's not a big deal. So let's start with the first one. Here's the card right there. It's There and Back Again, and it's called An Unexpected Party. And this month, instead of a button, we got a sticker, and it does match the There and Back Again. And here is the yarn, and to go with the sticker. I think they did a really good job. It's really, really pretty. It's like a rainbow all up in there. Definitely a rainbow. It's stunning. It's gorgeous. I love the way it's done up. You can just see all these colors in here. Look at that navy they got up in there. That's just gorgeous. This is done on their marshmallow worsted. It's 100% superwash Rembouillet wool. It is a worsted weight. It is a 5-ply. It is 4 ounces. It is 196 yards. And there's their card. You can always snap that. And so you know who it is. It is Bumblebee Acres. You can check them out, their website. They are pretty amazing. They have a lot of different yarns to choose from, and they also have fiber for spinning. And then the next one I got is their Stephen King, and this one is called Fairy Tale. And they did a sticker for this month, and there's the sticker. And the sticker is spot on. And here is their Fairy Tale. And that is gorgeous. You can see it's black and the gold all through that. And it is really beautiful. And this is not doing it justice. It is a royal tealy blue here, and this computer is not showing it the correct color. Not at all. It is definitely not showing the correct color. Oh dear. But it is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. You can see the gorgeous colors in there. So that is gorgeous. So these two do go together very well. I really like those. So these are the 2 yarns I got. Of course, they are the same. They are both on the marshmallow worsted. I'll show you this one too. Marshmallow worsted, the superwash. And of course, it is Bumblebee Acres. So give them a watch. Check them out. They do have a YouTube channel. I'll link their YouTube channel down below, and I will link their website as well. But they are quite stunning. Absolutely beautiful. Very squishy. That's why they call them marshmallow, because they're so squishy. So I hope you enjoyed seeing those. And I'm really enjoying them. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, help stamp out bullying, and above all, happy yarning. Bye now.